guys, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I want to show you how to make my homemade einkorn and ground popcorn cast iron cornbread. So that name is a total mouthful, but it is an absolute delicious side dish to those winter stews and soups. It's especially good with white chicken chili, which I'm going to show you how to make in an upcoming video, as well as just regular chili and any soup. It's a hearty side dish. When you make it this way with natural sweeteners and ancient einkorn wheat and freshly ground popcorn, it's also a healthy side dish that you don't have to feel guilty about. I'm going to start this process by grinding up some popcorn in my Nutri-Mill on the coarse setting so that it's like cornmeal. Now you can also substitute cornmeal for this recipe if you don't have Nutri-Mill. That's totally fine. We're gonna get the cast iron skillet preheating in the oven, because if you watched my tips on how to cook with cast iron so that things don't stick, you know that preheating is the key. So we're gonna get a 12-inch cast iron skillet going in the oven on 350 degrees with 3 tablespoons of butter in it. We're gonna add to the dry bowl 1 cup of ground cornmeal and 1 cup of ancient organic einkorn. I spoke about why I like einkorn so much in my how to make sourdough bread video. Okay, to the dry ingredients, I'm also adding a tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Give those dry ingredients a quick stir before adding in all of the wet ingredients. I'm gonna add 3 eggs. You can certainly tell which egg came from our backyard farm and which one we had to pick up at the store. And then I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of honey and 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil. I just put mine in the oven to melt so it's super hot, and then just give it a stir. All right, this cast iron skillet has been preheating on 350 degrees, so I'm just gonna add my cornbread batter right to it. I might have put in too much butter before, but if you know me, I don't measure. I just pop it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until cooked through. All right, I just pulled this out of the oven and it smells so good. And this is one of our favorite side dishes for my hearty white chicken chili, which I plan to be sharing a recipe with you guys very soon. It is made with homemade bone broth, and so great, especially for the upcoming colder months. We're gonna cut this cornbread in thick slices and slather it with butter. And the kids sometimes request honey. I like mine just with butter to go with the soup and kind of put it with a bite of soup, but it also, of course, tastes delicious with honey. Don't forget to stop by the blog farmhouseonboone.com for the full recipe and printable recipe card. I'll leave a link in the description for that blog post. Well, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.